Hello TRU holders. In this video we're going to quickly go over how you can stake your TRU on individual loans to earn additional yield in TRU. In my opinion, this is somewhat of a safer option than becoming a Uniswap ETH TRU liquidity provider, simply because you don't run the risk of impermanent loss. So we're going to go to app.truefi.io as always. Make sure your wallet is connected. Go to the stake page. As you can see here, there is only one loan request that is currently in progress that we can vote on. And that's going to be this $3 million 30-day term loan from Grapefruit Trading. So based on whatever your perception of Grapefruit Trading is, the research you've done, what you've seen them post in our forums and in the Discord, you're going to want to vote yes or no on this loan request. Once you click yes or no, you're going to get a pop-up. You can select how much TRU you want to stake on the loan request. I am going to stake 243 TRU on this Grapefruit Trading loan request. Again, there's going to be 2 transactions you need to confirm from MetaMask if this is your first time staking on a loan. The first one is just an approval transaction. Enables TrueFi to interact with your TRU tokens. So we're going to wait a little bit for that transaction to approve. And then once that does go through, we're just going to have to approve a second transaction that actually performs the actual staking, the moving of TRU from your wallet into this staking contract. I'm going to pause for a sec until this transaction finishes up. Hey guys, that first transaction went through, and as you can see here, I automatically just got a second pop-up from MetaMask asking me to confirm this second transaction. I'm gonna hit confirm, and again, I'm gonna get a contract pending, and we'll just wait. Awesome. Now, as you can see, that second transaction went through, and now on the TrueFi.io stake page, it is reflecting that I have staked 243 TRU to push through the Grapefruit Trading loan request.